Here we got a 1929 Ford Model A Pigpen, named after a Linus character, which Charlie Brown character, Linus and Linus, Lucy, Charlie Brown, Pigpen, Snoopy, right? Remember them? Yeah. So custom plate says Pigpen. Very well. So this is the kind at least you could drive. It's a Model A. Model T would confuse the hell out of me, man. You know. The left brake, it's got 3 pedals on it. One's a reverse, one's for the high and low, one's for the transmission brake, and God, man. And you got your step there to get in your rubble seat. That's why they got it's called the trunk on the cars trunks, because they literally carry trunks in the back. And it looks probably like your artillery style wheels. I don't know if they call them that or not, but there's another selling point. Put heavy-duty wheels on a car. It's the same thing that roll the cannons around with or something. You know? I don't know if that's just truth, but you know, some of them I think it was that way. So you got your other mirror mounted on your spare tire. The drum brakes, I doubt they're juice. They're probably mechanical. That's why you didn't have 110-pound women stepping on the brakes on these kind of cars back then. They'd freaking go right through the freaking cornfield or telephone pole or some shit, because you really had to step on the brake hard. You need like at least 200-pound guy to do that kind of crap, even in the car, because they weren't hydraulic. I think the hydraulic stuff came out in the 30s. So these are mechanical. It's probably still mechanical for all I know. Yeah, I don't see any freaking lines over there. Anyway. Pigpen, here.
No.